Hi, I'm Frances Katzen and welcome to 53 West 53rd Street, Penthouse 76, where style, luxury, and substance await us. With architecture by Pulitzer Prize winner Jean Nouvel and interiors by Thierry Despont, this iconic building is set apart with cinematic backdrops of Central Park and cityscape views of Midtown. And it's evident the minute you step off the elevator into this full-floor apartment. This is what we call the wow factor. We are standing in the great room that offers 3 panoramic views. You can see from the East River to the Hudson River, to Central Park and beyond. And once you get over the view, you can take a moment to take in the incredible architecture that has been created in Penthouse 76. And this great room has ceiling heights in excess of 23 feet and windows to match it. It will leave you and your guests speechless. It truly is rare to have a dining room that hovers over Central Park like this. But Fox Nahum didn't rest on that. He brought in a perfectly positioned piece by Studio Hun Kim. And with an accent light that is so sophisticated, it pops this room to another level. Imagine hosting a dinner party that allows everyone to sit in such a glowing room facing the park. Molteni partnered up with Thierry Despont to create a one-of-a-kind custom kitchen with some of the most beautifully flush cabinetry. This kitchen island with statuary marble and a waterfall edge detail is just another element of what sets this building apart. And just to round off this kitchen, the details of commissioned pieces by Elyse Graham and her coffee table so that one could sit and take in this incredible view. With over 8,000 square feet, there's always room for play. And then there are these views through this wall of glass that frames the city at your feet. And just when you thought you'd seen it all, follow me. Did I mention that we are in a duplex? And these staircases only further highlight the museum quality finishes in this penthouse. Upstairs is 2 of the 4 bedrooms of this home. What sets this penthouse apart is the proportion and scale of each of these rooms. And as you can see in this particular room, it is not tight at all. But if you think this is grand, follow me. And this is it, the primary suite. The design and furniture are all thoughtfully curated to take in these jaw-dropping views. And this principal bathroom ensuite is a spa level unlike I've ever seen, clad in Verona limestone with radiant heat flooring. What really sets this bathroom apart is a custom designed Thierry Despont automated vanity mirror with storage. This Lefroy Brooks deep soaking tub allows one to take in a view that is truly spectacular, all putting this bathroom on a whole other level. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Frances Katzen here at 53 West 53rd Street, one of the most iconic buildings in the world.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?